Hello, this is Sakib Abdullah. Today we'll select the top 10 winners for our Cyber Monday giveaway. But first, let's clear some air here. First of all, we're extremely sorry for some disaster that happened after the giveaway was set to end. We stated that there will be one grand prize winner worth a $500 coupon for the highest point earned, and another 10 winners will win a $100 worth coupon from the top 20 participants through random selections. With these coupons, you can only purchase from the BdThemes website. But as far as things went, we used Perkzilla for this content, and their website has some serious issues with a complicated mechanism that our contest organizer team found hard to control. The content was set to expire on December 3rd, 2022, but for some reason people could enter on December 4th and earn points. It's embarrassing and we apologize for this event. Secondly, Perkzilla has a nasty automation system that our contest organizer team didn't pay attention to, and we all suffered damage. It was an automated action by Perkzilla that sent automated winner email to most of our users, and this is not something done by our team by any means or form. Appreciate your patience in staying with us, and we say sorry to cause any misunderstandings related to this giveaway. But the good news is we have saved the data from the 3rd December, and we also have tracked the data from them to locate all the fraud activities. We can assure you we have took action against those fraud attempts, and we already erased some names from the leaderboard from the top to the bottom. With that, we're gonna congratulate Dino. He gained over 7,100 points and totally dominated the leaderboard from the very beginning. He will be receiving the grand prize of $500 worth coupon through his email. And now we're going to select our top 10 winners by a spinning wheel from wheelofnames.com. Winners will receive their special coupon through email. Our top 20 contestant, and they have gained much points. So we'll be using the Wheel of Names website for the spinning wheel. Let's enter the names. All the names are here. We're gonna shuffle, and let's select our first winner. The first winner is Torsten. Congratulations, you will be receiving your license through email. Let's shuffle again. Sorry, let me repeat again. You'll be receiving your coupon worth of 100 through email. Now let's pick our second winner. Congratulations, Lena, for your winning. Right, let's select the third one. Congratulations, Tawheed, you got the third contestant prize. Let's shuffle again. Time for the number 4. As he barely missed it. Hovo, you are our 5th contestant who won 100. You are our 4th contestant who won $100 worth coupon. Shuffling again. Congratulations, you are our 5th winner. Continue. Nicolina, congratulations, you barely won. More to go. Congratulations, Shahid Khan, you are getting a $100 coupon. Double again and spin. Congratulations, Marietta, you're getting a $100 coupon. Congratulations, Marvin, you're getting a coupon. This is the last one, the very last one. So wish you good luck, guys. Oh, Muhammad Asif is getting the last prize of a $100 coupon on BdThemes. Everyone for participating in this giveaway session, and we are apologizing to you for any misconduct or miscommunications happened during this giveaway. We did not intend to ruin this moment for you and us. Also, I like to congratulate all the winners and everybody that supports us in this giveaway and further. And congratulations, let's win again sometimes. See you later.